y'all, so we are in my bathroom and I am taking out my hair, combing it as I go because I've had my hair in for a while. So I am just taking the twist out like so, like that. Tabitha Brown, I love her, y'all. So yeah, y'all, my hair stinks so bad. I even washed it though one time while I had my locks in. It ain't smell like this though. I think this was just because it was up underneath the locks, maybe, I don't know. So I'll take one loose, start from the bottom and work my way up the hair shaft. And y'all, yes, I will have a lot of hair in my brush, and I am using the Denman brush, my favorite, because we lose up to 100 to 150 hair strands a day. That's a day. I had my hair in since August. I think I did my hair August 17th. So it is now September 20. It's Monday. Is it September 28th? Is it? Oh no, Monday, September 27th. So I did really good. I definitely did good. But yeah, so I'm about to fast forward this, y'all, because it's very repetitive and I'm trying to get done. I am going to do an Aztec Indian clay mask on my hair, and I'm gonna sit under the deep conditioner, or the steamer, to deep condition my hair, excuse me. So y'all just stay tuned for a full wash day, because baby is in need. This is what I be telling all of my clients: do a full wash day after taking down your protective style to ensure healthy hair. So let me get back to my Kimberly Sherrill because she just uploaded. Okay, so as you guys can see, the biggest thing, once you detangle your hair, you want to twist it up and out the way. As you see, I am doing here. And twirl it around your finger, otherwise it'll come loose. But you see here, I am taking out the twist, and then once I take the twist out, I am finger detangling, separating you know, the hair. You see all the buildup at the top, and then I go in and detangle from the bottom, working my way up to the top. You always want to do that. You see how easily I'm able to glide my brush through, and I just continue that all over my head. And then once the section get as big as I feel is big enough, I go ahead and twist it up out the way, which I'm about to do here. I guess after this twisty, I believe. Okay, I guess I got one more row. But y'all about to see, as soon as I am done, I am going to twist it up out the way. It does come undone, but I twist it back up, and this time I will make sure to twirl it around my finger. As you are about to see, like I said, I'm twisting it up and it's going to come undone. Boom, pissed. Come undone. Boom, again. See? Make sure you twirl it around your finger. That helps. See? Y'all. Took this twist out. Oh my gosh. What the freak? I cut my hair. I cut it. I cut my hair. So freaking upset. Wow. Cut my mother. Do y'all see this? I am so upset. It's okay. It is just hair. It's gonna grow back. I'm gonna grow it back. It happened again. This is my second time in my life doing this, and I am so upset. This is the shortest though, you know. And what makes it even worse, it's in the same spot, the same exact spot. Less hair, thankfully, but I cut my dang on hair. Look, I might as well just cut all my hair off. That's what I feel like. So sad. So freaking sad. I'm laughing because I don't want to cry. Wow, what is that? I'll see y'all when I'm done. Okay, y'all, you really can't tell, but this is how much hair came out. I'm not upset, I'm not sad, because I had my hair in for almost a month, well, over a month, and of course I use my dimming brush. So yeah, I did cut my hair. I didn't get to, it really didn't show, but yep, there it goes. This little section here. Yep, I cut it, but it's okay. I don't wear my part on that side anyway, and when I wear my hair in the middle part, you really can't tell either. But my hair is growing back, you guys. There's a length check for you. Let's do the front. I remember I had bangs. I was thinking about getting some more bangs, but we'll see. Let's do it for the back. Head is straight, so we're right here. I guess, what is that, brush up? But yes, so I'm about to do an Aztec Indian clay mask, and I'm gonna put it on my face too, because it's been acting crazy, y'all. Like, look at these bumps. This one's been here for a long time, and it's because I'll be going on my little sugar binge rushes. Like, that's why you're supposed to continue to, anyway, that's all. Anyway, this is about hair. But I mean, what you put in your body also affects your hair and your skin, so period. Look, y'all. Well, I know, right? But anyway, that's okay. So y'all about to see me doing an Indian Aztec clay hair mask. I think I said, I don't know. Y'all, I'm tired, but yeah, I'm about to just do my hair, and I'm about to try to do this in a wash and go, because I don't feel like having roots in my hair. And I didn't want to do a twist out with it. So we're gonna do a wash and go and see how big and how long this hair is gotten for real. Okay, y'all, bye. I'm rambling. Y'all, I could fit my head in my bathroom sink. Wow. Bye. All right, so I did this because it's easier to apply the Aztec clay mask on wet hair. I'm already like saturated, so that's what I'm about to do, y'all. Y'all have seen it before. I'm gonna put some water in this water bottle. I already have a video on my channel of this, so I'm not about to like tell y'all exactly what I'm about to do. I'm just gonna let y'all watch me. So I don't ever measure, so I'll just put a little bit of clay in that thing. I have long hair, so I'd rather have more than not enough. And I am going to put it on my face because my face is looking crazy. Got my olive oil and my apple cider vinegar. I'll just pour that thing in there. I like mine to be a little thick, not too thick, but just the right consistency, which I'll show you guys because my hair is already wet. little bit more on that thing. Stir it up. It's bubbly. Got that bubbly. That bubbly. So this is kind of almost how I like it. Put a little bit more. Just because I got some chunks. Like I said before, I have a video on my channel explaining this in detail, but I just wanted to come over here and talk to you guys for a little bit, showing you that I am detangling my hair, spraying it with water first, and then I am applying it to the scalp and massaging a little bit, and then working the clay mask all the way down the curls. And the remainder of it I am using on my face. Make sure you scrape the bowl. Don't be wasting no clay. So now it is time to dry completely. Did I get them bumps? Cause no, that ain't really. I got that all over my camera or whatever. As you know, sit under the dryer till your hair is rock hard, and then rinse and deep condition. I did not show that part, but the next part you guys will see is the wash and go using As I Am color wax. So thanks for watching. See y'all soon.